Good Friday morning, everybody, in the lovely town of Winston, Connecticut. We are on the porch this morning. We cannot really go outside because it just got done raining and there's puddles and it is soaking, sloppy, wet outside. I wish it would stop raining, but it always wants to rain every morning, it seems. Well, anyways, we came on here, me and my lovely daughter, to sing you the song Rain, Rain Goes Away. Hold on. Rain, 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 go away. Come again another day. Daddy wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Mommy wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Brother wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Sissy wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Baby wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. All children want to play. Rain, rain, go away. Well, me and my daughter hope that you enjoyed that catchy little Rain, Rain, Go Away song. Well, me and my daughter hope that you all have a beautiful and blessed day wherever you are in this world, and we hope that it's not too warm, too cold, or too hot. Well, anyways, y'all have a blessed day. We love you all. Bye now.